In this video, we are going to learn how to set up a match keyword trigger in the Instagram bot. Now, this feature is super useful when you don't want the bot to reply to every single message, but only when a user types certain keywords. For example, if someone types services, the bot can show your service details. If they type support, it can connect them to a team. So let's see step by step how to set up this. Click on the plus icon and choose Instagram Chatbot. From the options, select Match Keyword Conditions. Next, choose the channel where you want this bot to run. Then under Incoming Message, you will see different conditions. Here you can choose Ease, Contains, or whichever conditions matches your requirements. Now let's add a question block. In this block, you can select Interactive Message, type the text you want the bot to send, and then add buttons for the user to choose from. Once you are done, save this question block. Now comes an important step, connecting each button to the right action. For the Our Services button, connect it to a send message block. Inside that, select send text message and type out the details of your services. For the support button, link to an ask question block, enter the text. After that, go into a native tools, choose assign to agent and select the agent you want the conversation to be routed to. And for the contact us button, connect it to a send message block again, choose send text message and add your contact details like phone number or email address. This way each button gives the user a smooth experience and directs them exactly where they need to go. And that's it. Your match keyword trigger is ready. Now, whenever someone sends a message with those keywords, the bot will respond automatically with the right option, whether it shows your services, connecting to an agent, or simply sharing your contact information. This makes your Instagram bot smarter, saves you time, and ensure your users get quick responses based on what they are actually asking for. Thank you.